Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this Peugeot Traveller in the active specification. So this is an 8-seater vehicle. It comes with rear parking sensors, tinted rear windows. The touchscreen has DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. But on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights and wipers, and cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car comes with a 1.5 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 120 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox. The car's done under 11,000 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.